that I belong to this land of India. Blessed I am that I belong to this land of India. Yes, my dear children, I really feel blessed to be born in India, my motherland, which has a very rich culture and heritage. This year, we are celebrating 74th year of independence. The celebrations have been restricted because of the corona pandemic. But this cannot dampen our spirits. This cannot reduce or change our feeling towards our motherland. On this occasion, I am glad that students of Standard 5 and 6 have tried their best to revive and awaken the feeling of patriotism in all of us through their presentation. Great job, children, because this is the right moment to remember and to pay our tributes to the sacrifices made by the warriors of our freedom struggle. Freedom is very dear to every living being on this earth. To enjoy freedom, we need to control ourselves. During this pandemic period, our freedom of movement has been restricted. We can overcome this taking certain precautionary measures like wearing masks, washing hands at regular intervals with hand wash, maintaining social distancing. If we follow these precautions, I'm sure we'll be able to defeat the coronavirus. Children, we love you, we care for you, and we miss you all. School building looks lifeless without you. Take care of yourselves, stay at home and stay healthy. If we stay in, the coronavirus stays out. Once again, I take this opportunity to wish you all a happy Independence Day. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.
Rishi Kanad, the atom eater, was the famous ancient Indian physicist and founder of Vaisheshika school of philosophy. According to him, perception and inference were the main tools of knowledge. He pioneered atomic theory, described dimension, motion, chemical reactions of atoms. Vaisheshika Sutras are a blend of science, philosophy and religion. The essence of these sutras is the atomic theory of matter, according to which Anu or atom was an indestructible particle of matter. Born in 598 AD, Brahmagupta was an Indian mathematician and astronomer. He is the author of two early works on mathematics and astronomy, the Brahmasfu Siddhanta, a theoretical treatise, and the Khandakadyaka, a more practical text. Brahmagupta was the first to give rules for dealing with zero as a number, to compute with zero, and for dealing with positive, that is fortune, and negative, that is depth numbers. He was from the state of Rajasthan and later became the head of the astronomical observatory at Ujjain in central India.
I am Jagdish Chandra Bose. I was born on November 30, 1858 in Muchigan district, Bangladesh. I am the first Indian scientist who proved by experimentation that plants and animals share very much in common. I am also famous for inventing a device known as crystallograph, which can detect small motions within plant tissue.
I am Andhani Vaigopal Rao Joshi. I became the first Indian female physician in year 1887. I was also the first Indian woman to train in Western medicine, and I was the first woman to travel to United States of America. Thank you.
Vanakkam. Myself Srinivasa Ramanujan. I was born on 22nd December 1887 in the state of Tamil Nadu. In the year 1914, I went to London, and in 1918, I I was selected to the Royal Society of London. The world entitles me as a great mathematician. I also give a theory called Ramanujan's master theory, which is a technique which provides an analytic expression which gives a many transform of an analytic function. These days, my birthday is celebrated as Mathematics Day. Thank you.
मैं रानी लक्ष्मीबाई हूँ, इस झांसी की रानी रानी लक्ष्मीबाई। मैं अपना झांसी इन अंग्रेजों के हाथों नहीं जाने दूंगी। मेरा खून का एक एक कतरा झांसी के लिए कुर्बान है। हर हर महादेव, हर हर महादेव, जय भारत, जय हिंद।
मैं भगत सिंह मां भारती के चरणों में समर्पित होने के लिए ही 28 सितंबर 1907 को मेरी माता विद्यावती कौर ने मुझे जन्म दिया था। राजगुरु और बटुकेश्वर दत्त के साथ मिलकर मैंने भी अंग्रेजों के राग खट्टे कर दिए। In 1926, I joined the Hindustan Republic Association and left my house because my life has been dedicated to the noblest cause, that the freedom of the country. अंग्रेज सरकार को झकझोरने के लिए ही मैं, राजगुरु और बटुकेश्वर दत्त ने असेंबली के सभागार में 8 अप्रैल 1929 को बम फेंके थे, जहां हम तीनों गिरफ्तार हुए। I sacrificed my life for my country, पर मेरा बलिदान व्यर्थ नहीं गया। आज मेरे भारतवासी आजाद देश में सांस ले रहे हैं। इनकलाब जिंदाबाद।
The hands that heal the wounds, the soft touch that would assure speedy recovery, the fingers that check the pulse could also hold the heaviest weapons, fire a revolver and aim. I am Captain Lakshmi Sehgal, a young doctor and the first woman contingent of the world. Born on 24 October 1914 Madras, to a family of lawyers and social activists, I was always brave and followed my heart. When untouchability was a common practice in India, I went to a tribal girl, held her hands and asked her to play with me. I had to pay a price for following my heart, but I never let that come in my way. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
I am Sarojini Naidu. I am a thinker, singer, poet and a politician. I am the first woman who participated in the Indian National Congress. I fight against British. People lovingly call me Nightingale of India.
Birthday is celebrated as National Women's Day. Along with Gandhiji, I took active part in civil disobedience, Quit India movement for the freedom of our country. I also became the first woman president of Indian National Congress, first woman governor of Uttar Pradesh.
कहो किस्मत लगता जिसमें जीवन न रवानी है, वह खून कहो किस्मत लगता जिसमें जीवन न रवानी है। जो परवश होकर बहता है वह खून नहीं पानी है। उस दिन लोगों ने सही उस दिन लोगों ने सही खून की कीमत पहचानी थी। जिस दिन सुभाष ने बर्मा में मांगी उनसे कुर्बानी थी। आजानों बाहों ऊंची करके बोले, रक्त मुझे देना, इसके बदले भारत की आजादी तुम मुझसे लेना।
नमस्ते, मैं जवाहरलाल नेहरू हूँ। मैं एक फ्रीडम फाइटर हूँ। I got my education from 2 universities, namely Cambridge and Harrow. In 1910, I completed my degree. I was a man of peace and accord, but when I saw how Britishers treat Indians, I decided to join the freedom movement because of my love for the country. I shook hands with Mahatma Gandhi. Consequently, I joined the non-cooperation movement of Mahatma Gandhi. I was a man of inordinate vision and a great leader, politician and writer too. On 15th August 1947, India got its independence और मेरी मेहनत के कारण मुझे देश का प्रथम प्रधानमंत्री घोषित किया गया।
Hello everyone, I am Bhumi Jahangir Bhabha. I was born on 30 October 1909 in Mumbai. I am nuclear physics, scientist, professor and established Bhabha Atomic Research Center in Mumbai. My fellow Indians with love calls me father of Indian nuclear program. Thank you.
I am Kalpana Chawla. I was born on March 17, 1962 in Karnal, India. I am the first Indian woman in space and the first Indian American astronaut. I first flew on spacecraft called Columbia in 1997 as a mission specialist and a primary robotic arm operator. I love my country India and space. I always believe in dream is dust but action is always first.
विजय विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा, झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा, सदा शक्ति बरसाने वाला, प्रेम सुधा सरसाने वाला, वीरों को हर्षाने वाला, मातृभूमि का तन मन सारा, झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा। इसकी शान न जाने पाए, चाहे जान भले ही जाए, विश्व विजय करके दिखलाए, तब होवे प्रण पूर्ण हमारा, झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा।
No duty is more urgent than that of returning thanks. With this beautiful quotation, I would like to thank our respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Sunja Ma'am and especially Smriti Ma'am for her valuable words of encouragement. Also, I would like to thank the children of class 5 and 6 for their sincere effort. वो जिंदगी ही क्या जिसमें देशभक्ति न हो, और वो मौत ही क्या जो तिरंगे में लिपटी न हो। थैंक यू। जय हिंद, जय भारत।